One of the reasons why Jamboree took a step back in 2014 and really looked at these new lines of business and innovation came about because we had this concern that there would be a downturn in development. And if there's a downturn in affordable housing production, we thought, how can we continue to further our mission without producing new affordable housing units? And so we started looking at these new lines of business. But what happened in the meantime was we continued to get very busy in our housing production. And so in 2014, we broke ground on 3 new construction projects. And now as we look into 2015, we anticipate that being probably double, 6 to 8 new developments. And so here we thought there would be somewhat of a downturn in development activity when we're actually seeing this upswing. So we've got an upswing of development going on right at the same time that we're implementing some of these new innovations. And one of the innovations that we're implementing is the start of our own in-house construction company. And by doing construction in-house, our hope is that we'll be able to build the high quality housing that we do even at a more economical price, and be able to judge any futures highs and lows of the construction market so that we can do a better job of forecasting the resources that we would need to continue to keep our affordable housing being developed. So that's one of the new lines of business. On top of that, we are looking at expanding our resident services program. As you know, several years ago we merged with Homes, which stands for Helping Our Mentally Ill Experience Success, and we're building now 10% of our developments have a special needs component in them. And so we're going to be starting to see an expansion of our resident services program, either through providing those programs ourselves in-house or through partnerships with other nonprofits that provide more enhanced services for our residents. So we see that as being something that will be coming in 2015 and 2016. Very exciting for our future. So here we thought we'd see a downturn in construction. Very busy there, continuing to add staff to support that team. The construction company up and running, getting ready to break ground on our first new construction project that we'll be building ourselves with one of our long-term partners, the City of Anaheim. It's actually going to be our 5th development in the City of Anaheim, which is very exciting. And then our resident services component expanding. So, Jamboree's mission is to improve communities through the development of housing that's affordable and the implementation of impactful resident services. And so this community development effort that we have, I think, will continue to grow, and you'll see that in 2015 and 2016 as we really look to make communities better by using the housing that we build as the platform for those services.